Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you how you can remove your PC from domain. Means you can remove your domain joined PC and you can move it in a work group. So let us start now. But just before go ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for new upcoming videos notification. Let us start now. So I have this machine, that IP is 10.10.11, and this machine is, I am going to check here, this machine is, you can see here, perso.lan. This is in perso.lan domain. I have created this domain for testing. So again I am going to show you how you can remove. So just you need to open Explorer. If you are using Windows 10, then here it will show this PC. Otherwise, if you are using Windows 7, it will be as a My Computer or Windows XP. It will show as My Computer, but in Windows 8 and 10 it will show as this PC. So you need to right click on this PC. You can find this PC icon on this PC icon or My Computer icon on your desktop also, and just go to property, click here, click on change setting. You can see domain name is perso.lan and computer name is Win10. So we are going to remove this machine from domain, and again click on change. Here you can see domain, perso.lan and work group. So for removing from domain, just select work group. Here you can enter whatever you want. I am going to just enter here A and click on OK button. Here you can see, after you leave the domain, you will need to know the password of the local administrator account to log into your computer. Click OK to continue. Yes, if you are going to remove your machine, PC, laptop or desktop from domain, then you should have your machine local administrator user ID or password. If you have not, before removing from domain, just check, enable your administrator account, local account, and reset password. So now I am going to click on OK button. Yes, if you have any query like how we can reset or how we can check local user account information, or how we can reset password, so just leave your comment. I will show you. Our video is available on my channel, so just you can find out. Here you can see it is asking for username and password. So for during removing from domain, you can enter any username like admin or administrator, and if you want you can enter password. Otherwise just click on OK. But yes, if you are going to join domain, then you need to enter the domain user ID and password. But during removing from domain, you can enter any username. If you want, you can enter password. Otherwise just click OK. Welcome to the A group, A work group. Click OK. Again click. You can see you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click OK. Close. I will restart this computer, but before restarting, I want to show you. You can see here computer name is Win10. It is showing as previous, and domain name is A, but before removing it was showing here domain name, that was perso.lan. So I am going to remove I am going to restart now. Restart this machine, this PC, this desktop is removed from domain, but for effect you need to restart, but this is removed now. So I am going to restart it, and will take it again. I will access this machine remotely, and you can see the IP is 10.10.11. So I am going to restart now. It will take some time. Till now we can check by ping 10.10.10.11. Yes, it is up now. So you can see here, now you need to enter local account, not domain account, because machine is removed from domain. Just here dot slash. Yes. So you can see we have successfully taken remote of this PC. Again we'll check by going to properties. You can see computer name is Win10 and work group name is A, not domain name. So this machine is removed now from domain. So guys, in this way you can remove your PC, your desktop, your laptop, your machine from domain. So I hope this video is helpful. This video will be helpful for you. So please request you to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any query, please leave your comment. Thanks. Bye bye.